Here are some tips to add ambiance and vibe to your kitchen. Lighting. 1. Warm lighting. Use warm lighting like pendant lights or under cabinet lighting to create a cozy ambiance. 2. Dimmable lights. Install dimmable lights to adjust the brightness and create a relaxing atmosphere. 3. LED strips. Add LED strips under cabinets or above counters to create a modern and sleek look. Color scheme. 1. Neutral colors. Use neutral colors like white, beige, or gray to create a clean and sophisticated look. 2. Bold accents. Add bold accents like red, orange, or yellow to create a pop of color and energy. 3. Nature-inspired colors. Use nature-inspired colors like green, blue, or earthy tones to create a calming atmosphere. Decor and accessories. 1. Plants. Add plants or a vase with fresh flowers to bring in a touch of nature. 2. Artwork. Hang artwork or prints that reflect your personal style and add visual interest. 3. Kitchenware. Display your favorite kitchenware, like vintage cookbooks or copper pots, to add a touch of personality. 4. Textiles. Add textiles like rugs, mats, or aprons to add warmth and texture. Ambiance boosting elements. 1. Music. Play music in the background to create a lively atmosphere. 2. Scents. Use essential oils or scented candles to create a welcoming aroma. 3. Fireplace. If you have a kitchen fireplace, light it up to create a cozy ambiance. 4. Window treatments. Use window treatments like curtains or blinds to control the natural light and add texture. Kitchen layout and design. 1. Island or peninsula. Add an island or peninsula to create a social hub and add visual interest. 2. Open shelving. Use open shelving to display your favorite kitchenware and add a touch of elegance. 3. Kitchen table. Add a kitchen table or a breakfast nook to create a cozy eating area. 4. Clutter-free space. Keep your kitchen clutter-free and organized to create a sense of calm and relaxation. Other tips. 1. Make it personal. Make your kitchen personal by adding family photos, heirlooms, or sentimental items. 2. Experiment with different styles. Experiment with different styles, like rustic, modern, or vintage, to create a unique look. 3. Add technology. Add technology like smart speakers or voice assistants to make your kitchen convenient. 4. Keep it clean. Keep your kitchen clean and tidy to create a welcoming and inviting atmosphere. By these tips, you can create a kitchen that's not only functional but also a hub of warmth, energy, and ambiance.